everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'll tell you how you can hide your Facebook photos from everyone. Start by clicking on Facebook. Now you have to click on the three lines given on corner. You can see there is an option Settings and Privacy. Now tap on Settings. Scroll down. In Audience and Visibility section, there is an option Profile and Tagging. Click on this. Now in the tagging section, you can see first one is who can see posts you are tagged in on your profile. Click on Friends of Friends. There are so many options. First one is everyone, friends of friends, friends except specific friends, or only me. Click on only me. Now your photos are hidden from all the public and even from your friends. Only you can see your post or photos on Facebook. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my videos, then don't forget to like or subscribe my YouTube channel.